what's up, guys? So, ayan, nandito na ako sa Tromso and look at that. Look at outside. Oh my God. It's snowy here and we are now in our small hotel. So, magbakasyon muna ako. Uy, wag puro white tea, di ba? Nakakapagod kaya. So, ayan, maglalaro kami sa snow bukas. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Kasi 12 midnight na dito. Magwa 1 o'clock na. Good morning, everyone. I just woke up. So today it's 9 o'clock in the morning here in Tromso. And look at outside, guys. It's full of white. So later on, we will go out and explore a bit in the city centrum. And currently, we are just looking outside from the hotel. So see you later, everyone. Good morning. So I just finished my half bath, they said. But this hotel is a very cheap hotel in Tromso. But we, of course, we assure that the service is nice. They have their own toilet, the kitchen and everything. The shower, so we have the shower and the toilet there. We have the 2 beds here. We have this and we have this screen, and we have 2 tables here. Like that, 2 tables with side 2 chairs with side table. So I will let you show the kitchen because the kitchen will be common, so everybody can use the kitchen. We don't have our own kitchen here inside our room, but let's see what's in there. I think it's all nice. It looks nice and everything. The hotel, it's very clean. So this just costs 1,000 plus kroner, so it's like 8,000 plus in Philippine peso, and we are already 5 for that. So the other 3 person is in the other room. The room is more bigger than here because we are just 2 here and there are 3 persons. So let's see, let's look what's in the kitchen, what's in there. So let me give you a tour, then you will know if you want to stay here, if you're going here to Tromso. So let's see. It's automatically locked. So in this hotel they have free coffee and everything, hot chocolate and everything, and all you have to do is just to press something here. I like the coffee latte. Then there is the free coffee, and we were going to eat our breakfast. Of course, we are Pinoy, guys. Pinoy is yeah, okay. Yummy. Yummy. So we are now going to eat our breakfast in the We were going to check out now and explore the city of Tromso. Here we go! Hey! Sana all maganda, diba? Sana all. Bye! Bye! Bye to our view! Look at our view. Bye. So here we go. We are in the city center, and the Barnehagen kids are going to school now. They're going to school now. So currently we are now in the city centrum called Walking Street in Tromsø, Norway. And as you can see, the stores are over here and they are getting preparing for the Christmas month. And I will let you tour around here. So it's the city of Tromsø. Naligaw kayo? Naligaw? So we lost our way going to the cable car and we decided to walk because it will take 30 minutes if we were going to wait the bus. So that is the bus stop. It says 30 minutes, but it's already 12 minutes walk away from here to cable car. So let's see. I think we can handle this. Let's go. Look at our view. Ooh, snowy, snowy. Let's go! So we were going to the top because we will try to reach the cable car. And it's getting dark here, guys. Look at that. So finally we reached it. That was the cable car, guys. And then going up to the mountain, as you can see. So guys, we are here now in Fiel, going to the cable car entrance, but unfortunately this is not working today. It's because of this. Unfortunately, we are expecting that we arrive already in this time in Oslo. But the sad thing is the flight canceled due to the strong wind here in Tromso. But we are so lucky that the airlines shoulder our accommodation, and currently we have upgraded hotel and it's all for free. The taxi, the transportation from here to airport and airport going here, so it's free. And we are now in Radisson Hotel. Sad but lucky we have this free accommodation. Let me give you a tour. So this is a room for 2 persons again. But we are not in the old hotel that we stayed for last night. We have another new night here in Radisson Hotel. And that is the room here. So I will show you everything is here with the cabinet. If you have the jacket, winter jacket, they have free coffee, TV, and they also have this. With that one, and free, everything is free. And the shower, fully sponsored by the airline. So thank you so much, but hopefully tomorrow we will flight again going to the Oslo, and looking forward for a nice view tomorrow here in the morning. Tomorrow morning here, you get a view. Oh my god. So guys, we are now back to Tromso Airport, and it's on our way to Oslo, Norway again. And here you can see earlier it's still snowing, and Oslo, Norway is not really snowy there, but it's a bit colder. So hopefully guys, you enjoy my video. Me and friends enjoy our weekend getaway here, and we are really thankful that we still saw the northern lights. And see you again on my next travel, and please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also share this, maybe some people need some tips where you can buy the cheap travel going to Tromso. Bye!